Audi, 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 why can't you just do right? What's going on, y'all? Boy, and then one thing's another with this Audi. You know, so let's just jump right into it. This is what we're doing. We're doing the rear brakes, changing over everything, changing the rotors and the brakes. All right, so as you know, Audi is special, so they do their things the way they want to. So you got these caps here that's stuck in the back of these right here, and they don't give you much room back here to get these out. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So here's what we're working with. This here is a stud that's holding this caliper in, and there's one here and there's one here, and I'm gonna go ahead and chunk these things off. I'm gonna tell you, man, I think I picked the wrong day to do this, but it is what it is. We tap this backwards. Okay, that thing there was in there. Guys, it's hot today. I'm gonna throw this into a time lapse. All right, so seeing how I didn't take this off, unscrew this tip before I did took the brake pads off. Well, still was free before I got the wheel up all the way. Well, I even could do that, but I don't have no type of brake pressure on this, so I need to hold this right here so I can sort of quit turning. Wasn't too bad. That was kind of easy. Okay, so as I'm looking at it, in order to get this rotor off, now I have to take everything off. I gotta take this whole thing off. So, let's see if I can hold this. There we go. For some reason, this here don't look like it's all the way like it's loose, which I didn't think it was. I don't know, man. See, the way I see this thing here is that it's supposed to come off. Okay, so it's popping off right there. I was wondering. Alright, so we still gotta get this bracket here off. So that's our next dilemma. And then we gotta figure out how to do our brakes. Okay, that one goes in the back. This one goes in the front. And what do I need to take this off here? So Audi is at it again. So this here's what I need to use to get these bolts off to clear this rotor. All right, to get this bracket off to clear this rotor. So on the other side, the only thing I'm gonna do over there is that I'm gonna take, but I can't because I still have to take everything loose because I got to do the brakes anyway. So I'm gonna do it again just like I did it here. So. Or I might just, yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna do it again just the way I did it here. So, So that came off like that, huh? Okay, that's the way it goes on. All right, gotta remember which way this stuff goes, comes on to go off. Look how long that bolt is. Got 2 of those in there. All right, so that comes off. All right. Okay, this should be easy to take out, redo. I have to put another one in here. No, this here is pressed in. Oh, this whole thing might come off as one unit. Yeah, that might be one unit. Yep. Hope that don't ever go bad. But as you can see, this rotor got grooves all in it. Grooves all in it. Even the back side. I don't know if y'all guys can see that. But ouch. Mother bubbas. That mug is hot. Guess it would help if I take the motherfucker out the sun. Get your ass out the sun. Shit. Shit. That thing is hot. Okay, so we're gonna put our set screw back in. Make sure we got the right tip. That is hot. I'm telling you, it is hot out here. And I gotta get this shit done before it starts raining again. Here we go. Come on, where we at, set screw? Where did you go? Here you go. Ouch, you bitch. Stop it. Woo, you motherfucker. I'm trying to keep my camera out the sun because it don't like the heat. All right, there we go with that. Now, as you look and see here, this thing here takes a special type of tool to rotate our brakes back. All right, so that's got to turn in order to go back in there to push it down. This here is an electric brake. Your electric rear brakes. No, I ain't gonna say electric rear brakes. I'm talking about your electric park brake. You put it in park and you step on your emergency brake. There's electric. So that is an issue in itself. So if this crap go out, this here thing gonna cost you a new asshole to get fixed. You know, I mean, just to replace it. So go figure. But you know me, I got tools for it. I got tools, baby. I got tools. Okay, so see, it's these pieces just like this. So let's see, this is number 4. Let me see if I can get across that thing there. Nope, 4 is too small. Let's try. Nope, where's 5? 5 is right here. Let's see what we get with 5. Nope. Okay. All right, that's 6 right there. Nope. So let's try this one. Still too. Hold on. That might do it right there. All right, so this is how this piece works. You take this, you sit it on that brake there, and this piece here goes into here and it locks in. You rotate this thing like that. Now, what I need this piece too as well to go on here. I ain't used this thing in so long, I can't remember how the hell this goes. Okay, people. I gotta figure this one out, man. Like, I can't remember right now. I can't remember to save my life how that piece goes on there. But let me see something. Okay, guys, so I figured it out. So it goes like that, and these two pieces right here line up into that piece right there, and it's another piece on the other side. Okay, so then you turn this backwards so it'll push out. All right, so y'all see it right there. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this piece back here. Let's see if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and start turning this, so to turn it down, but you're supposed to tighten this up here, so this will stay stable, but I think it might be tight enough, so let's see what we got. As you see that piece turning? And this here is coming out, so, yep, so I'm going to have to turn it and lock it down. I'm gonna tell you guys, I got on the wrong shit today. Yep, I am on fire. Right now. As of right now, I am on fire. Just trying to make sure that get back out a little bit. Okay, there we go. Push it up. Now come back this way, tighten it down. My shit here turn. Stop playing games, man. Okay, turn your ass the other way. Oh boy. As you guys can see, this is not working out. Oh boy. I should have did it right the first time. That's what I should have did. Should have tightened this shit up the first time. Okay, so we got that there. All right, so that's tight. So let's get the tight. Man, that is crazy. But we got that sucker. All right. Whew, that's done. Now, so let me explain to y'all a little bit what I had to do. I had to take this clip here out of these brakes up in the front so that we could get this piece on. Yeah, it was wasn't hard, but wasn't the funnest thing I done. But, okay, let's put that back there. Let's find our bracket that we need to put these other things back on. There's our bracket that goes like that. I don't know if I showed y'all these, but these are the tip. You see this crazy crap? It's crazy. I can't afford Audi man hours, and only way I take this car back to them is to get. I don't do the oil change. I send it to one of the Valvolines or Jiffy Lube type places, do the oil change. But if it come down to something that needs tuning on this thing, then it'll go back. But if I ever learn how to do tuning, then that's gonna be over too for 'em. I'm gonna tell you, I had to use a breaker bar to get those two things out. Boy, was it fucking horrible. But let's move on, because it's so our next deal is these brakes. Now, let's see here. Do you sit in there like that, buddy? Yes, you do. And then this one sits like that. It does. It sits just like that. So, and let's see what the difference is in these pads. We have a major difference in these pads. See how skinny these are? How big these are? Yep. You can even see the difference on this side. How big? How skinny? Yeah. Garbage. These are garbage. Okay, put those there. Now, let me see if I got some grease in here. I know y'all probably saying, where is your doggone, where's your brake cleaner at? Yeah, I don't know. And I don't think I have any. I'll go check right quick, see if I got some, but I don't think I got none. So if I ain't got none, then guess what? I'm gonna keep it moving. And I think that this grease here is going, oh my God, you fucking asshole. Oh my God, today is just a bad day, man. Today is a bad day. Means I shouldn't be doing this. That's exactly what that means. I shouldn't be doing this today. But I have to. And I need to get it done today. Everything, I'm just getting hit, man, left and right. Don't help that I haven't did Audi rear brakes before. Know what's all involved. And I'm hoping I don't have to do it again. Put you down there. Sit you right there. Let's get you right there. Now, wipe those off on the pants. Let's see if this here thing gonna sit on here correctly. There we go. Now, there we go. Now, let's see if we can get our, what you call this in here, to go through there and get in the hole it's supposed to go in. Oh, y'all can't see that. Okay, there we go. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna take this out. And I'm gonna go find me something a little bit better if I can. See, this thing right here is telling me that I need some better tools. I'm gonna see if I can put me some all-purpose grease on here. I ain't gonna even lie, it done rain. It's trying to rain again. Look, y'all can see sun trying to come out right there, but trying to rain again. And I done had issues. Let me show you. Look at this right here. This side has given me the damn fuzzies. I done took everything loose. Now I'm hoping everything lined back up when I put it back. Just to get this one out right here. I done put fire to it and everything. Man, this here is ridiculous. So, let me get my dang tools over here. Let me get this one. Had to put a breaker bar on it and everything. Look at that. Now you want to be real nice and gentle. This thing sucks, but man, I tell you, it damn sucks. I've been rained on. I had to go change. That was too hot for one. Put that down there. You get this bottom one. Let me check this. Make sure I'm pulling on that just a little bit too much. There we go. I need to look at that bolt, man, and make sure that I think I really messed it up. Somehow it got chewed up. Hey, you look at my damn tool. That tool all jacked up. All jacked up. And I can't even find those bits no more. So I went looking for them. So I figured I need me a new one. But I think I'm gonna put that one at the bottom, the other one that's tore up. Well, I mean, it ain't really bad. It ain't too bad. You still can get some grip on it, so that means that well, no, we kind of tore up right there. Yeah, we kind of hurt right there. But I think with a new bit, it'll be all right. All right, so we got that. I need to then put a bolt in here. One of these. All right, y'all. So let me get this rotor off. Let's y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna sit y'all over here to the side so y'all can see what's going on. That's what I'm gonna do. It was too hot out here earlier for my damn GoPro. It was acting stupid. But I don't know why, because this GoPro's a GoPro 8. A Hero 8. And they act like no hero right now. Acting like a simp. I done broke some stuff. Some stuff ain't working right. Everything. It's been a mess. Let me see if this one here works. Yep, that one worked better. Let me put that there. Oh boy. Here we go with that bullshit. Let's see. There we go. I don't think y'all understand me. I done been through it today with this one. Is I got that foggy? Yeah, I done been through it today, y'all. Put this right there. Put you right there, so I need to get all this back together. That's what I need to do. Get all this shit back together. There we go. That's in there for a little bit. Don't want it in there too much. Okay. So I get a bolt on that one. This here going to the top here. Alright. So let this down here. Out over here. Alright, so I'm back, guys. So like I said, you see that right there? Broke that thing right there. I'm gonna take that thing back, get my money back. Yep. And it's another one up under there that I broke. Just trying to get this damn thing here to act right. But we are going back to business here. Let's put this thing here on. It's still drizzling. All right, guys, so we are done. Basically, the only thing we gotta do is put the tire back on. And I gotta pump the brakes up. And the reason why I do it like this, I don't bleed it back here at the brakes, at the caliper, because all I do is push back the piston and the caliper, and to push all the air back up through the system to right out the top there, right out of there, and push it back up to the max level, which is right there, which is back up to the max level. So that way I don't have to bleed the brakes or none of that. Only thing I do is put my foot on them until just pump them up. That's really it. Yep, that is really it. So just pump it up a couple times. There we go. We're ready to go now. Everything is back to where it needs to be. See that one? We put this one, and everything's back together. But let me show y'all everything that I had to take apart in here. So I had to take this loose. Get out of here. I had to take that bolt right there that's on the other side. There's a bolt above it. You see this bolt right here. There's a bolt right here. Let me see. There's a bolt right here. Then there's another one up here. Yep. And I didn't realize after I got it all taken apart that I can't take the whole thing off anyway, because they got the brakes running. They got the speed sensor running through the hub, the back of the back of the hub, and then they got the brake lines connected to it some type of way. That electric brake. So I decided all I need to do is lean it inward a little bit so I can get that tip on there. Well, that bit on that one socket or one bolt or whatever you want to call it, and so I can get a good angle on it. And finally it broke loose. My God, man, I thought I was in trouble, boy. I just knew if I stripped that, my daughter would have a cow. But it's done and we're good. So you guys don't need to see me put back on the tires, because that don't even make sense. You guys know how to put back on the tires. So, but we are good to go, and everything is all right in BSG land. So like, comment, subscribe, man, and we gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.